Now you wanted to pull the...
So, carpet stripping pretty much throughout.
And the carpet tack in here also.
Yeah, the carpet. Isn't that what you call it, stripping or tacking? Yeah.
Oh yeah, carpet strip tack.
Yeah.
And you want this out here too?
Yeah. Go ahead and do the lower trim too.
Yeah.
I mean, wall. Yeah, so the carpet stripping and the lower trim in here.
And this pile of carpet right here.
And yeah, and carpet in here. Pull off. And then there's carpet stripping in here.
Okay, this.
Yeah, tack strip. Tack, yeah. This on the stairs.
Yeah, they doing the most. They doing most. You can't have a pet dragon if you don't fly it. That's why I stay away from them.
And the carpet stripping.
Here.
But we'll probably do.
We'll take, so even 500, we take out this,
Yeah, like pretty much all this crap in
the
here.
laminate.
Laminate this.
Take out those 2x.
Yeah, those 2x can go.
Keep this up. That stays
Yeah.
to anchor in.
Well, this
All
whole
this-
ceiling part can go, right?
Yeah, the drywall.
Yeah.
Well, yeah.
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 I'm taking all that also.
Oh, okay.
This comes out. This, all this here. You want this going here too?
Yeah.
Okay. 500 will get it done. All right, we got the bid. You can see a lot of the stuff is already on the trailer. Okay, it's on the trailer. Not taking this installation with us. That's something some other contractor's doing. Okay, all this mess that was off in here, it's gone. We're gonna take those 2x4s out, all 3 of them, and take them with us. We're taking that with us too. All this carpet right here, when the process taken up that last little bit from there up to right here, and that'll be the bulk of the stuff we have to get out of here. Then we can just come back and take up the tack strip. All right, we'll be back at it. All right, DeWalt light, indoor and outdoor. It's got IP55 rating, you know, it's for dust and water resistance. This is gonna be a quick unboxing, but we're gonna use this on the job, okay? On the job. We got Old Faithful over here too, so we're putting that together. My weapon of choice. Coming out. Ooh. Fresh. Yeah. And all that carpet up, all the tack strip. Padding, the stairwell, in this room here. All this is up. Man, it looks horrible still, but this is all underneath the carpet. All this is up. All of the linoleum is up. Up in here, no tack strip anywhere. Front room is pretty much empty. Tack strip, carpet, padding, up. All right, looks like we're just about done. I'm gonna bring them in, call them in for an inspection. See if we can get paid. That's how it's done.